And now, welcome the new year full of things that have never been. This is a Rilke quote, and yes, it's timely for the holidays, and what I want to concentrate on are just a couple of words in this quote. Stephanie Swafford, Rapid Bodymind Clarity here. New, and things that have never been, which can often unsettle us or stir up fearful thoughts. Note I say fearful thoughts, not fear. New and things that have never been. Now, it doesn't have to be this whole deconstruction, tear it down. Now we have to rebuild it. Just start with little steps, small steps often. You know that's part of the practice. New things. If you go for a daily walk, change up the course a little, or stop, or have a seat during the walk and just be aware of what's around you. If you usually work with your right hand, work with your left hand and see what that teaches you and offers you. If you're used to going right, go left. If you're used to going left, go right. Again, it doesn't have to be this huge piece. Just new things. Keep dropping that pebble, planting that seed. Something new, something different. Keep it small, keep it manageable, so it's not overwhelming. If you don't like it, don't do it again. If you're in some kind of process that's new and different and isn't working for you, stop, okay? No harm, no foul. And now, welcome the new year full of things that have never been. And remember, you can start your year anywhere you want because it's your year, isn't it? To newness. Cheers.